Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. Today is day 8 of Dilmas. Yay! And we will be discussing the sale at Victoria's Secret. Right now, they have a buy 3, get 3 free. It ends Sunday, which is today. Also, if you buy $100 worth of items, they will ship it to you for free. No code required for that. So it's in stock items only. It excludes Uggs designer collection, bras above $82.50, 1 ounce perfumes, 2-piece prestige fragrance gifts, and all panties. Pink mist and body care, the mist collection and clearance, and the 3 lowest priced items are the ones that are free. In order to be able to use the buy 3 get 3 free, you need to use the code VS3 free. Now for me, what I like to get from Victoria's Secret are bras. This is the only place where I buy my bras from because I feel like this is the only place these bras work for me. Let's go to push up. Let's see. If I go to collection, there we go. Body by Victoria. Different kinds of Body by Victoria bras here. You have 4 options. It says that they have this bra in 23 colors, but it's the same bra as this one and the same bra as this one. So do they only have these 3 colors left? And then this one, actually, yeah, this is one too. I can kind of see the lace there now. At first I didn't. It looks kind of faux leatherish. But so I guess they only have these 4 colors left. Let's click on it and take a look and see. You get a better look at the bra. Still kind of hard to tell. I don't know why it's so shiny. So they have the colors listed here. Let me see if I click on one that was not shown. Will it be a problem? Oh, let's see. It's a black all over shine. That's why it's so shiny. Okay. What about the black Rio lace? Okay. So you can get the other colors, it looks like. Once you pick your size, well, that narrows it down a lot. Looks like I still have that color available though. Let's add it to the bag. I want to continue shopping because I can get 3. Because if I buy 3, then I get 3 for free, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's get the plain black one. Continue shopping. And let's get the brown sugar. So I have 3 items now. I want to get 3 more. We know the panties are not included. They said that. Let's see if they recommend anything else down here. Why does that one look different? It says it's perfect coverage bra. Okay. Let's check this one out. This is also Body by Victoria. Okay, so let's pick my size because I know that will narrow it down a lot. I mean, it really narrowed it down a lot. Okay, so let's get the brown sugar. And let's get the red. And let's get the black. Now I want to go ahead to go check out. Now that I have 6 items, I want to go ahead and see about checking out. My merchandise total currently is $301 for the 6 bras. I'm going to go to checkout with PayPal. Okay, once I signed into PayPal, it let me know that the shipping, of course, would be free because it's over $100. The sale tax is $27.84, which brings the total to $328.84. Once you go to delivery, it's going to show you the different options for shipping. You can stay with the free delivery, which is 5 to 9 business days, or you can choose a different shipping rate. Go ahead and continue to offers and payment. Then go ahead and add an offer code. It looks like you can stack offer codes at Victoria's Secret because they give you the option to put in two different ones, but I'm just going to put in the one for the buy 3 get 3 free, and that is VS3 free. It tells me that the offer code has been applied to my order and what that offer code is. Now when I go back to the previous page, it tells me that my merchandise subtotal is $161.50 with the sale tax being $14.94 to bring the payment due to $176.44. So that is how you apply the buy 3 get 3 free offer on Victoria's Secret today. They say they have other offers. Let's look and see what those are. They also have it where you can get 2 for $25 perfumes and fragrance gift sets on select styles, original price being $30 to $38 each. And you do not need a code to take advantage of that. It's already marked down on the website. Well, those were the offers that I had to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.